I can't believe we're driving Matthew's car right now. I'm definitely going to be sending him this video so he can see it driving. Welcome back to Christina's Garage Gearhead in Training. Today is the day that we are going to do the self-driving test tuning thing with the Holley Sniper EFI 2. This is the first time we're going to be getting it on the road since before my dad passed. It's been over 4 years now. So it is really exciting to get it out on the road, and we're gonna see how it goes. And there are gonna be a couple things we're gonna want to pay attention to. My dad and brother were running into issues with the car essentially turning off or dying at stop signs, stop lights. We're gonna keep an eye out for that issue to see if it arises on our drive. Otherwise, let's go, let's take a ride. We're pulling out. Oh my gosh, it's so exciting. So what are we keeping an eye on in terms of this?
Throttle position sensor, because that's what we were having issues with last time, which is
Which one?
that one on the top right.
Okay.
And then this is the coolant temp. That's going to stay under 200.
Okay.
Everything else is pretty much...
And we want this to stay 0? Is
no,
that,
when I hit the gas, it's going to move.
Okay.
I just want to make sure it stays steady wherever it's at.
Okay.
The air fuel, that's kind of our learning parameters, stuff like that. But we're not really too worried about that today. We just want to make sure it doesn't stall.
Okay.
If the air fuel gets funky, though, then we go in and adjust it, or if it's different where we want to be. It's running a little rich because it's cold.
Oh, okay. And it's interesting with the lines on the top because it wasn't there before.
Could be heat or something on the monitor.
Okay.
So, ready?
Alrighty.
How much gas we have?
We filled the whole tank.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Okay. Because the gauge is still at 0.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we put that, we filled it. So that seemed like that might have been the issue they were worrying. So it can't be the heat then because it hasn't been on long enough.
Right. That's weird that it did that when you come to a stop and it starts right back up. Because the air fuel's going a little lean. Our fueling is...
So maybe the longer we drive it, it might fix that issue. I didn't do it that time.
Because I was holding the RPMs up a little bit.
Oh.
Hold on a second. Like second either.
That's a transmission though, right?
Yeah. I don't know why it's doing that. Could be something with the shift linkage. The older linkage has bushings and other things that get stiff and wear out.
Oh, okay.
Seems one idle now.
It sounded much better that time.
Just gonna turn around up this way and come back.
Okay.
Everything seems to be doing pretty good though. It's hard to bridge. But not too bad. It's getting better. Yeah. It's learning for sure.
That's so cool.
It has to get into its learn mode.
Good on your right.
Yeah, not one stall now.
That's cool. I can hear the difference. looks like the fuel pressure stayed, it's supposed to be up like that, right?
Yes.
And it's staying where we've been wanting it to when it wasn't really wanting to before.
Yeah. It's pretty steady. This transmission's a lot older than I've driven before. I guess Murphy's, but it's not what they call auto centering. I guess it is. You just gotta find where it's at. New transmissions are a little bit more refined.
Ah.
Well, I'd say that's a success. That's pretty good. Still driving.
Because before it like totally dropped and then turned off.
Yep. It's getting easier to drive too.
It's crazy that the EFI system is able to control that.
Yeah. Oh yeah. It's just like a new car at this point.
I can't believe we're driving Matthew's car right now. I'm definitely going to be sending him this video so he can see it driving. He's coming back in August. We're in February. He's coming back in August. There's going to be some more things we're going to do on the car before then. Definitely going to make sure that I get it detailed for him as well. Oh my gosh. Yay! So excited. It was a success. You could tell that the car was learning as we were going. I recorded the entire experience so that Jeff can sit down with me and kind of explain what the numbers are doing. And now that the car is up and running, we're going to need to drive it more. And I don't have as much practice with manual driving, which means that I'm going to be behind the wheel and Jeff is going to teach me how to drive manual. I have gotten some practice before. My dad attempted to teach me and I had a lot of difficulty. Now I'm going to need to learn because my car, when the Camaro is done, is going to be a manual as well. If you guys want to subscribe to my channel, set on your alerts so that you can see the videos that come out in the future. I also have the availability for memberships. I do have exclusive videos just for members. So check that out. You guys are awesome. I'll see you next time.